Hi, welcome to eMedia Coach. I'm your expert instructor for the Astra Pro theme. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the colors feature of the Astra Pro theme. If you haven't bought the Astra Pro theme yet, then you have to go to emediacoach.com/Astra and then you'll be redirected to the Astra website where you can buy the theme. So let's go back to our site where we are going to perform this editing. So let's log into our WordPress dashboard. Now once you are in your dashboard, you have to go to Appearance and then you have to go to Astra Options. Here you will find a variety of options available for the Astra Pro module users. If these options are not available to you, that means you are using a free version of the Astra theme and you can buy the theme by going to emediacoach.com/Astra. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the colors and the background feature. So let's click on Activate to see what changes it can do. But before I click Activate, let me show you what is the difference it is going to make. So let's click on the Customize button here. Now let's go to the colors and background, and now you can see there are four options here: base color, breadcrumb, header and footer bar. And now let's click on Activate. Now let's refresh this page. Now let's go to colors and background, and now you can see there are a few more options available. So the content, blog and sidebar, these are the options available only to the pro users. So once you activate this feature from here, you'll be able to see these features here. And now I'm going to show you what are the uses of these features. Other than that, the header section here, it has also got a new feature, the option to edit the primary header. In the free version, only the option to edit the transparent header is available. So I'm also going to show you all of these features which are available to the pro user. So let's begin with the header module. So when we go to the header, let's go to the primary header section, and now you can see I have an option here to change the background color of the header. So as you can see, this is how you can change the background color of your header. And let's click on clear, because if you want to make it transparent, so the default white color will be applied. Similarly, you can also choose an image if you want to put an image in the background. So let's choose this image and click select. So you'll see that a background image has been applied to the header of your website. So let's remove it because it does not look good. Now, not just the header, but you can also edit these certain sections. So if you want to edit the certain menu section, then you can select the primary menu background from here. So if I select red color from here, you will see that a red color boundary will be applied here. So as you can see, a red color boundary with the background has been applied here. So if you want, you can just use your creativity to customize any type you want. So let's keep it to the default white again. Similarly, you can also select a particular background image for this particular section of the menu. Similarly, you have the options to edit the text color, the link color, the link hover color and other colors. So you can just go to each one of them specifically to test out how these features work. The text color is this color, the link color is the active link color, this one. The hover color is when I hover onto something, you see that there is blue color appearing because that is the default color. So if I select something like this, so you'll see that when I hover now, the color is not coming blue and it's coming this particular gray color. So this is how these things work. You can also select a background for hover, and similarly there are many things which you can do. Just use your creativity and experiment and explore all of these. In this tutorial, I'm going to just quickly walk you through all the features available. So now let's go back to the next feature available to the pro users. So the next thing is content. So as you can see, this is our blog page, and here you will see that the white color background. So if you want to change this background on your blog, you have to click on this button here and then you can choose any color. So this is how you can edit the background color of your content section. Similarly, you can add an image here. So just use your creativity to create something awesome. Similarly, if you want to customize these posts, you can just choose the heading color, heading 2 color, heading 3 color, and all of the headings color. This feature is also available for the individual posts when you are editing a post, but if you want to make a default change on all of your posts, you can just do it by using these buttons and these features. Now let's go back and check the next feature available, the blog section. So this is the blog page, and this is for archive summary box. So this is the archive summary box, and if I choose a color here and I go to this page, you'll see that the background has changed to this color. And now if I want to edit it, I can just choose any color of my own choice. Similarly, I can change this heading. So if I want to make it some other color, I can just choose it black or any color I want. Similarly, I can also change its description, but right now there is no description, so I won't be able to show you how it looks. And similarly, you can change all of the things here as per your own design needs and design requirement. So let's go to the sidebar. So now in sidebar, you can edit all of these things here. This thing is called as the sidebar of a blog, and if you want to edit this, you have the option to do that by using these features. So suppose I want to change the headings of all of the elements present on the sidebar, then I can do that by using this thing here. So suppose if I select the red color, you'll see that all of the headings have changed into red color. Similarly, I can change the text color, the link color, and similarly you can do many other things by customizing these features here. Similarly, you can also add a background image or a background color, but right now if I add the background color, it will be applied only to this section here, because this thing here already has a white background. So the red background is going to appear on these sections which have a separation gap. So if I suppose select a background color of green color, you'll see that this color will be applied to this thing here, because this section here already has a white background which you can customize by going into some other sections, which I won't be explaining in this video, because in this video I only want to cover this particular thing. So this is how you can use these features to customize your website. So that's it for the Astra Pro modules colors and background section. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you about the typography, and one by one I'm going to create videos for all of these modules. So if you are an Astra Pro user, or if you are looking forward to buy Astra Pro, then subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to create more of such videos in the near future. If you like this video, you can just hit the thumbs icon below, and if you have any questions or any type of suggestions, you can either comment them below, or you can directly go to emediacoach.com, that is our website, and fill it in the contact form if you want any type of help from us. Thank you for watching this video.